Today, I am reviewing the Tramontina Signature Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 12-piece cookware set. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who loves cooking or simply wants to elevate your kitchen game, the Tramontina Signature Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 12-piece cookware set is an excellent choice. This premium set comes with 2 frying pans, 3 saucepans with lids, a 6-quart sauté pan, and an 8-quart stockpot, giving you everything you need for almost any recipe. Whether you're frying, sautéing, boiling, or making soups and sauces, this set is designed to handle it all with ease and efficiency. One of the first things you'll notice about this cookware set is its tri-ply construction. Each piece features an aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel, which allows for even heat distribution across the surface. That means no more hot spots, no more uneven cooking, and much better control over your cooking process. Whether you're searing a steak, simmering delicate sauces, or sautéing vegetables, you'll get professional-level performance every time. The versatility of this cookware set is truly impressive. It works seamlessly with all types of cooktops, including gas, electric, induction, and ceramic glass, which makes it perfect for any home kitchen. Additionally, it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can start your meal on the stovetop and finish it in the oven without needing additional cookware. The stainless steel lids lock in moisture and flavor, while the riveted handles provide a secure, comfortable grip, making even heavier pieces, like the 8-quart stockpot, easy to lift and maneuver. Another highlight is the easy maintenance. The cookware's mirror-polished stainless steel exterior not only looks stunning in any kitchen, but also makes cleaning simple. All pieces are dishwasher safe, so you can save time and energy after cooking. For those who want a more hands-on approach, the smooth surface also cleans easily by hand. Tramontina has designed this set with durability in mind. It's NSF-certified, ensuring quality and safety, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment will last for years, even with frequent use. Functionality is another area where this set excels. The different sizes and types of pots and pans allow you to handle a wide range of tasks, from boiling pasta in the 8-quart stockpot to making sauces in the 1.5 or 2-quart saucepans, or sautéing vegetables in the 6-quart sauté pan. This set is perfect for families, entertaining, or anyone who wants the flexibility to cook multiple dishes at once. The combination of professional-grade materials, versatility, and ease of use makes it suitable for both beginner cooks and seasoned chefs. Finally, the design and aesthetics of the Tramontina Signature Tri-Ply Clad set cannot be overlooked. Its sleek stainless steel finish looks modern and professional, making it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. The set also comes with thoughtful details such as well-fitted lids, ergonomic handles, and even a storage solution that keeps your cookware organized and accessible. In conclusion, the Tramontina Signature Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 12-piece cookware set combines durability, versatility, and professional-level performance into a complete cookware set. From its even heat distribution to its stovetop and oven compatibility, dishwasher safety, and lifetime warranty, this set is built to deliver consistent, high-quality results for years to come. Whether you're cooking for yourself, a family, or guests, this cookware set makes the process easier, more enjoyable, and more efficient. For anyone who values performance, longevity, and style in the kitchen, this Tramontina set is a perfect choice.